Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out this custom enhancer palette from the brand Cover FX, which I was really excited to see Cover FX in my January 2022 Boxycharm Premium Box. I love the Cover FX drops. I feel like those are such a popular hyped up product, but I really do love those. So I'm excited to see a powder palette based off of those liquid highlighter drops. So this palette retails for $42. Yeah, Cover FX is an expensive brand in my opinion, but these are vegan, cruelty-free, and this is cool packaging. It has a kind of plasticky, almost like squishy feel to it, but it's not squishy, but it feels like it would be. And it has the mirror here, the 3 shades. These are also talc free. So first things first, I have to swatch all 3 of these shades. It was so hard for me to resist swatching them when I did my unboxing of my Boxycharm Premium this month. But they have a very nice buttery feel to them. Ooh. Beautiful swatches. Pigmented, shiny, reflective, but not glittery sparkly, which is perfect. I definitely prefer my highlighters to be glowy, reflective, not glittery. And so the shades here are Candlelight, which is the more bronzy shade, Sunlight, the champagne shade, and Blossom, the pink shade. So I would say that for me, my skin tone, the bronzy shade is going to be a little too dark to put on my cheeks, but it could be great on the eye. And then the champagne shade and the pink shade, I think will look really good on my cheeks. So let's start there. I typically apply a highlighter like this type of texture with my finger, but first I want to try it out with a fan brush because I have had some good luck applying highlighters with this fan brush. So I'm going to pick up the champagne shade onto the brush here. It is like a firmly packed down kind of powder, which is making me think that I'll probably prefer to apply this with my finger. Yeah, like it's hard to pick up on this fan brush because it is very densely packed down. So I'm only able to really do the tiniest little hint of a natural glow, and I want more for my highlighter. So let's just move right on into applying it with my finger. So I'm gonna pick some up on my finger like that and just blend it onto the high points of my face. Pick up even more. Oh, this really is a great shade for my skin tone to give that glowing skin look. It's definitely not as immediately pigmented as the glow drops, custom enhancer drops. So I feel like I'm like picking up so much to try and build it up, but it definitely is buildable. You can definitely build this up to that blinding highlight. You know, I actually could probably wet the brush and apply it that way. So I'm just gonna spray this little fan brush. Let's see how that works. It works fine to apply it with my finger, but since I had to go back in and apply it so many times, let's just try applying it wet. Kind of creating those liquid custom enhancer drops out of this palette almost. Ooh. Oh yeah. I mean, this applies really nicely and pigmented when it's wet. But at that point, I'm like, I should just pick up the custom enhancer drops if I want to use it as more of a liquid highlight. But it is so pretty. I love this shade. And look at that difference with it applied wet versus layering and layering it up with my finger. So I do prefer this side, it's like a very blinding highlight, but it looks natural on the skin because it's not super sparkly and it has that smooth texture as well. Very fun. The pink shade, I want to try picking it up on a blush brush and applying it to the apples of my cheeks, kind of as a glowy blush. More so guessing this is going to be like a good blush topper, but ooh, yes, like I love a glowy blush or a glowy blush topper, and this is not crazy pigmented for your cheeks. Like you could wear this alone, but if you were to apply this on top of a blush, I don't think it's going to make my cheeks look way too red and rosy. I think it's going to give a healthy, flushed glow. And I already have so much redness in my cheeks that I actually could just use this as my blush because it helps to even out the redness in my cheeks. It adds that glow, which is so pretty. Go over my nose a little bit with this. I love how glowing and glistening and lit up my skin is looking right now. So since I want to try out all three shades, I'm going to pick up the bronzy shade here, just a little on my finger, and apply this all over the lid. Let's see how that is. Yeah, this one is definitely going to be too dark for my face, but a beautiful eyeshadow shade. Add a little shimmer to the eye in a very natural way because it's not giving me that opaque pigment that I would want like a brown metallic eyeshadow to give me, but just as a way to get a little bit of use out of this shade. It really does look nice, throwing it quickly and easily all over the lid, even blending up to that crease area to have a little bit more definition on the eye. Very quick and easy if this were to be my travel highlight palette. So all in all, I think this is a really nice highlight palette. I will say that it's very like similar to other highlight palettes just like this. Even the shades that you get in this, I feel like are kind of the classic shades that you get in even like very inexpensive highlighter palettes. You know, you've got your darker, your champagne, and your pink shade. And for $42, I would like to see something maybe a little different. The formulas are really nice. I love how my skin is glowing, but still, I just don't see that this is necessarily worth $42, all that special, unique. I mean, I like it. Now that I have it in my collection, I'll continue using it. It's a great product for me to get in Boxycharm, but I don't think this is the most amazing, game-changing highlighter palette that you need to go get. But I am glad to see that I have use for all three shades. If you have any other recommendations of ways that you like to use this palette, maybe using as like a shoulder highlight, a little lip topper, there are other uses. So I'd love to hear your favorite ways to use this and what your thoughts are on this palette if you've tried it out as well. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.